As per practice in OG, Konkan Railway is implementing monsoon timetable with effect from 10th of June 2024, and this will be enforced till 31st of October 2024. Because of this implementation of monsoon timetable, there's a certain change of train running. There was certain weekly trains, premium trains, I'll tell you. This Tejas Express, which is to run 4 days a week, will run tri-weekly, that is 3 days in a week. Then Vande Bharat Express, Madgaon Mumbai CSMT. Earlier it is to run 6 days a week, now it will be tri-weekly. Then this Lokmanya Tilak Madgaon Junction Express, Double Decker Express, that is to run 4 days a week, will now run twice a week. So besides this, we have changed the originating time of certain trains, like Konkan, which is to leave Madgaon station at 19 hours, will now leave at 18 hours every day. Mandvi Express, which is to leave at 9:30 hours, will leave Madgaon station at 8:30 hours. So I request all the passengers who have booked their tickets prior to implementation of this monsoon timetable to check the revised timings of the train at the nearest station.